beautiful new video. First of all, I'm sorry for all the disturbances you may be hearing during this video, because this video is shot at my balcony and it is very essential to do it in my balcony, because today I'm going to show you my mother's beautiful garden. Not exactly a big garden, but somewhat garden. So there are different kinds of flowers in our garden, and also only one plant, which is chili plant, and it is the only flower which is not, it is the only plant which does not give flower. So first of all, I would like to tell why we started keeping plants in our balcony. Because when we moved to this house, our house is in the second floor, and when I was very small when we moved to this house, so I was very prone to going to the railings and looking down. So my parents were scared and they decided of making a barricade. So my mother decided that why not we use pots and plants to create a barricade so that I don't run to the railing. So that's how my beautiful flowers and their journey started. So I will be explaining about every single flower and the little story which is there with them. So first I would like to say, this is a hibiscus flower. I don't exactly remember the color because it's not flowering from a long time, because there were some certain insects which were laying eggs on it, and my mom decided to cut off all the leaves and it's starting to grow again. This is another hibiscus flower. Even this has not flowered for a long time. I don't know why. Maybe because of insufficient water, because of summer season. Okay, so this is also a very beautiful one. This is one of my most favorites and one of the oldest, of course. This was actually this tall, but my mom cut it off. She believes that when we cut the flowers and prune them properly, they result in more beautiful. Okay, this is one of the most special. This is orange color hibiscus. It has a deep shade of orange, somewhat it's beautiful. And these hibiscuses, my mom uses them for doing puja, because nowadays we're not getting flowers from the market. So this is the main medium my mom uses for doing puja. So this is one of my most favorite. This one is a 5-faced hibiscus and it's beautiful. Okay, I'm sorry I had to do this video in the night, because in the morning there are a lot of disturbances, but still I'm making it in the night so that you'll be able to see properly. So there's one flower which has dried up. This is red, okay, deep red, and it's a 5-faced one. Here we have a yellow one, not exactly yellow, mustard color. So in the center it's like orangish and it's beautiful. It's just fantastic. So this blooms very, it's very beautiful when it blooms. Next, this one is a pink one. Okay, it's a deep shade of pink and it's one of my most favorite after the flower. And I love this flower because of its shade. And as everyone know, pink can be anyone's favorite shade, especially for girls. So I just love it, and it's so so magnificent. You can look at it every time, but unfortunately the flower has not bloomed, so I can't show you. Next is another hibiscus flower. Okay, and this is which shade? Baby pink. This is baby pink shade with the center deep pink, and it's a five-headed flower. This is a balsam flower. My mom was looking for this flower for such a long time, and she finally found those seeds in Amazon. And this flower is very beautiful and it gives a lot of flower at the same time. Now we have only the pink color, but I remember before few days, I just forgot the season. My mom, during the season of the flower, we had a purple, white, red and pink. Plus we had one plant which used to give two flowers. Okay, this is a rose plant. Okay, it's one of my most favorite plant, and it is attached to me very much. This plant was a gift from me to my mom on her birthday 2 years ago. It was like I woke up in the morning and I told my dad. That time already we had started making this garden. I told my dad that let's go and buy flower. My mom will love it as a gift, and let's not waste money on anything else. So this flower is a red rose. It's beautiful. Okay, And the red rose, my mom uses it, every time. Okay, and my mom really loved the gift. Now this is a chili plant. As I told you, it's the only plant we have which does not flower. This is very beautiful. Okay, this is a night flowering jasmine. In Bengali we call it shiuli phul, and the smell is just brilliant. Okay, there are no flowers, and even if they are, they're all dried up and they're fallen, so we don't have it. But it smells beautiful. The smell goes till inside our house. And these flowers bloom mostly before Durga Puja, maybe the seasons that time. I'm not here. This is Tulsi. As you all know, we Hindus worship Tulsi. So we worship this god every day, the Tulsi god. And sometimes we have another Tulsi plant which is not the god's one. We use the Tulsi because it has a lot of medicinal properties. Whenever anyone in our house is cold or anything, my mom takes the Tulsi, she dips it in honey and gives it to us. This is jasmine, okay, and the flowers are pretty big in this one. Okay, you can see there's a bud here, and unfortunately there are no flowers here as well. So this jasmine has a bad habit. I would like to share it with all of you. It is that this jasmine always goes down where there's no water. Okay, like we watered it yesterday, day after tomorrow it just goes down. I don't know why. Very bad habit. So these are some other plants. We have a Cape jasmine, which is Gandharaj in Bengali, and my mom uses it to decorate the house. Okay, and then this is an Asian pigeon wing. Okay, I might be lucky to show you a flower. Just look at it. It's not fully bloomed yet. It's a blue one. We have white one as well. We have 3 here. Just take a look. Okay, we have white one here as well. Okay, yesterday only it gave us 2 white and 4 blues. Okay, which we use for puja. And here there's one more balsam. Okay, and here we have those decorative plants. And this one is the pinwheel flower. Okay, togor in Bengali. Okay, this is the bud. We do not have flowers, I guess. Okay, so these are the other trees near my home, and this is a hanging plant which is my favorite because it's in pink in color, and here you can see those seeds for the Asian pigeon wings. Okay, we have this hanging one, and this is connected through the rope. Okay, so I would love to say, in the morning the atmosphere is just different. It is like there are lots of birds chirping and singing, even though I don't get to witness all that because I'm not an early riser. I am, but not during vacations, of course. So then there are squirrels, and they are irritating, I must admit. They cut off the plant's leaves. Just take a look at this. Okay, it's so beautifully cut, but they are very naughty. And they come here, birds sit on our railing, and we have a money plant over here. Okay, it's not very old. We bought it this year itself. Okay, it goes up till there. We're waiting for it to go that way. When I saw it, it was this much, and I used to wait for it to grow. So I hope you enjoyed this trip of my garden, and I'll be back very soon with a new video. And if you have liked my video today, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you're subscribing my channel, just let me know, and comment if you want any other kinds of video. Bye. Have a great day. Good night.